Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing. Well, this video has been long overdue. This is a vlogging kit. It came with some accessories like the mic, the lights, the phone holder, the macro and micro lens with a clip. So please guys, watch to the end. If you're a YouTuber, you want to start doing vlogs, this is just right for you. So this is my pouch. It's in this pouch, it contains the micro lens and the macro lens with a clip. You can see the clip right here. Yeah. It has a cover, protective cover rather. Then this is also the micro lens. Those are the three items that I got in the pouch. Like, I'm so happy with this order because it came just exactly as I ordered. This is the lights, guys. You can use it to improve the appearance of your videos and all of that. You can see how it looks like. Then next is my video microphone. It eliminates environmental sounds and everything. You can see what the inside looks like. This is the microphone itself. Then this is a manual. So back to the lights. You can see how it looks like. It has a power button at the back where you can turn on your lights, and enclosed is the battery points where you have to insert two batteries to give it that light. It's a mini light and it adds a bit of light to the quality of videos. It helps improve the appearance of your videos. Next, I'm going in with the main tripod. So you can see it came in this black casing, black cloth. It's black in color actually. You can see how it looks like. It looks so compact and lightweight. This is the navigator, and then where you fix in the phone holder and everything. So I'm going to do the setup right now. So that point is where you fix in your navigator to the tripod. You can see how you can slide up and slide down to change the direction of your videos. Then there are latches here. So back to my light, I'm going to insert the two batteries in it right now. I'm going to turn it on with the power button. Yeah, you can see how bright enough the light looks. It adds a bit of light into your light and you really need this. So back to my tripod, you can see I fixed the navigator to the tripod stand and I'm trying to open it right now. So these latches will help you adjust the height of the tripod. I opened all three on the three sides. You can see as you open the latches, the length of the tripod extends. It should be around 112 cm in general or thereabouts. The height is long enough. Even if you don't think it's long enough, you can get extra textbooks or thick books to increase the height, or you can put it on a low table if you want the height of the tripod to go way up. can see what the view looks like. So make sure you lock the latches so that the height won't be adjusted. So right now I'm going to fix in the microphone. Here I'm putting the cord to the mouth where you can finally connect it to your phone. But first of all, I'm going to attach my phone clip to it first before I attach the microphone to it. So there's a point under the microphone where you have to attach it upward. The video actually did not capture this, but there's a point under the microphone where you have to attach it upward. You just slide it in a backward position on the top of the phone clip, then you're good to go. So I'm going to attach my phone. If I want to use my front camera, you can use your front camera or your back camera to make a video. So I'm just doing a demonstration of how it's going to look like. Next, I'm going in with the microphone. So the same way you attach the light up, that's the same way you attach the microphone on top of the lights too. So when you do that, you can connect it to your phone and boom, it starts recording. I don't really use this mic because this Android, I use it for a demonstration, but I don't use my Android to make videos. I use my iPhone, so I don't use the mic now. It has an Android mount rather, so I don't use the mic because I use my iPhone to record. So back to fixing the phone to the phone clip. You can see what it looks like. It looks just exactly as it was in the description, in the picture I saw on Jumia, and I really don't regret buying this. I bought this around 16,000 or thereabouts. So here I'm attaching the cord to the mouth of the Android phone, and then you can start recording. I did a review on this microphone, but I don't really like it. I don't think it actually does eliminate sounds. But the lights, the tripod, and the phone clip, they're very good. Everything but the mic lived up to expectations. So I did a lavalier mic unboxing. Please do well to check it out. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.